What's your strategy for winning with paper? With so many variables in paper production, you might have a different supplier for each product and service. But there are many advantages to a full-line supplier. Welcome to Voith Paper. Welcome to the next level of papermaking. Every day around the world, millions of people rely on life-enhancing products made on paper machines, like milk, juice, and food cartons, soft, absorbent diapers, shipping boxes, banknotes, tissue, durable paper towels and napkins, and pharmaceutical packaging for life-saving drugs. With so many people relying on paper products, you need a trusted partner with proven product solutions. Voith Paper is that partner, the full-line supplier committed to intelligent papermaking backed by incomparable knowledge and expertise. In fact, we're the largest full-line expert supplier in North America. From complete paper machines to stock preparation systems, products and consumables, services, digital products and tools, spare parts, and paper machine rebuilds, we support the complete life cycle of your entire machine. And partnerships are the focus of our service. We want to know everything about your business, your goals, your challenges, your successes. Because building a relationship means knowing what's important to you. At Voith, we've been leading the industry by focusing on the rapid development of digital technology that empowers paper manufacturers. Data, software, and cloud solutions bring increased efficiency to the paper production process, including enhanced workplace safety. Voith's Papermaking 4.0 connects your equipment and information systems today. Not digital yet? We'll work with you every step of the way, using an integrated approach to ensure a smooth transition, whether it's with the equipment you have or a new equipment upgrade. We provide our own OnCumulus industrial data platform to give you fast, secure access to data from local machines and other data systems in the cloud, so you can see your entire operation clearly from end to end. Voith's product lineup also includes Voith Excel Line paper machines, delivering efficient paper production for every paper grade. Then there's our customizable Blue Line family of innovative stock preparation products. They can handle all of your raw materials without compromising the quality of your final output. You'll notice lower costs for energy, fiber, water, and maintenance, and enhanced runnability. Along with products, Voith provides expert, fast, local, and reliable service 24/7, 365 days a year. And our Servolution offerings focus on results. It's just what you need, tailored service solutions for all sections of the production process. Because we take the time to learn what your goals are. We're here to help you reach them, whether you need maintenance, repairs, or an upgrade. We work together to develop a roadmap that brings the greatest benefits for the least investment, and we innovate together along the way. When you work with Voith, you gain access to a worldwide network of papermaking experts. We provide the highest level of dependability for your production through state-of-the-art solutions and investments in global pilot machines, local service teams, high-quality replacement parts, research and development, and customized engineering solutions. This is Voith Paper, the winning strategy for paper production. Your full-line supplier for the North American and the global paper industry.